Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials: a valid Dynamics 365 license, an assigned security role, and access to the correct environment. Once you have access, open the recommended browser, clear cache, and enable pop-ups so forms and dialogues behave predictably. Next, prepare your CSV import, map fields, standardize lookup values, and note GUID if migrating records. Do this now so the system accepts data without errors. Make sure to save a backup export before any bulk operations. It saves hours when fixes are needed. You'll now build the core solution. Customize entities and add fields with correct types and required settings. Once fields exist, create views and charts tied to user roles so people see relevant data. Then assemble a dashboard that surfaces KPIs. After visibility is set, implement business rules for client-side validation and configure workflows or power automate flows to automate approvals and notifications. Keep testing as you go. Use a sandbox, trigger edge case data, and iterate until forms and automations run reliably. You finish by running end-to-end tests, training users on core tasks, and publishing your solution to production. Once live, monitor system health via the Power Platform Admin Center and review plugin trace logs when something fails. If a process breaks, isolate the cause, disable custom plugins or flows temporarily, reproduce the issue, then re-enable components one at a time to find the culprit. Make sure to document fixes and roll out updates in small batches, so rollback remains simple if unexpected behavior returns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.